In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2011 MCQs, that is the number of conjugacy classes of symmetry group of order 3 is solution, that is theorem. Two elements of Sn are conjugate in Sn if and only if they have the same cycle type. The number of conjugacy classes of Sn equal to number of partitions of n. For example, a partition of n is way of writing n as a sum of positive integer. Since the partition of 3 or 3 is equal to sum of positive integer, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3, so 3 is equal to 3. So there are 3 partitions of 3, meaning there are 3 conjugacy classes in S3. So option C is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.